god, it's so red. You can literally see it. Oh my god, it hurts so bad. I just pinched it with the door. Welcome to today's vlog. Yay. My poor finger. Ooh. I have to do all these distractions. Our future's coming soon. Wait, let's take a picture here. There's nothing we can do. I just wanna be with you, only you. No matter where life takes us, nothing can break us apart. You know it's true. I just wanna be with you. Hi guys, so oh my god, I need to feed my dog. Let's go feed my dog. Okay, got the food. Well, he definitely was more thirsty. I'm hungry. I've been watching some Netflix lately and it's been fun, you know, and so look at that highlight. But the reason why I did my makeup was one, because I was gonna vlog, and two, I may or may not visit my mother-in-law today, my parents-in-law. I think so, I don't know. I have a really bad headache, which I think it's because I'm hangry right now. I haven't eaten at lunch, so I usually have a headache whenever I don't eat on time. So eat, people. Yeah, that's what's basically been going on, and I've been so busy. This whole week was super busy. I'm actually still busy, but I'm like not worrying about work right now because I just don't want to worry about work, you know. About not work, like college. I have a lot of work from my classes and stuff, and let me tell you, when I mean a lot, I mean a lot. Like from a blink of an eye, I already have so much work, so much assignments, and what I'm studying, you need to make, it consumes a lot of essays, and that's what's been killing me. I've been making so many essays. I did like 3 this week, individual, like of not individual, but like of different classes, 3 of different classes, and I'm taking 5 classes, so I've been a wreck, and I haven't even had time to sit down and do a makeup video. I did this makeup in like 5 minutes, you guys, and I wasn't even in the mood to do it, but I kind of like how it turned out. Honestly, it looks really nice and simple. But I wanted to vlog today because I got an amazing package from a makeup company. I don't know which one it is. My grandma said like it's heavy and it's big, and I'm like, heavy, big, oh my god. And so I have a feeling I didn't purchase anything, no makeup, no nothing, so I think maybe it's from Sephora or from cosmetic, from Color in a Makeup Studio, because they said they were gonna send me some sweet things, but I don't know if it's from there, and she couldn't tell me from where the box, like she said, no, you just come here by yourself, come here personally and you open it, because I'm intrigued too. She wants to see too, because she loves it when I open makeup and she loves to see it. So I haven't purchased anything because I'm currently saving money for something amazing that's happening in the future, and I have to save money, and like a lot, so that's what I've been doing, and I look so pale right now. I wanted to vlog it. I wanted to vlog me unboxing it, so yeah, I'm gonna see if I can drink a Panadol and get this headache off my system. I first wanted to eat first, because usually that's what it means, and I eat and it leaves fast and I don't have to drink anything, so I'm gonna eat first and see how everything goes. I'm gonna be here watching Scandal. Has been my current obsession. Currently in season 4, episode 8. Let me know what you guys think about it. I like it. My hair looks so ugly. Can I have a scissor, please?
Scissors?
Yes. It's from Sephora!
I thought that you had said, didn't you say there was something coming?
No, it's the college thing.
Oh, and you got Daddy's car?
Ow.
Ah.
What?
You got Daddy's car?
You found it?
Yeah. Oh shit. Wrap. No fucking way!
You got
No. They sent a card.
First door, not the drawer.
It's
Wow.
so beautiful.
Big box like
You don't
that.
know what this is? And they sent me a lipstick. The box is a little fucked up. Look how beautiful.
Kaya?
Ophelia. Oh, I have this shade. I'm gonna die. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, and they sent me ideas of how I can make the looks.
Good nice. I should have taken it.
Oh wow, these are beautiful. Wow, I saw this once on the internet and I didn't think it was gonna be that big. It's like the size of my hand. I like the box. I think I want to keep this one. Infused with peach and sweet fig cream. What? Oh, Grandma, smell it. It smells so good. It's like they put perfume on it. Oh my God. Can I show that in my camera?
No.
Yes, I'm gonna embarrass you in front of my people. Oh, this camera looks so pretty here. Oh, I look so pretty. What the heck is that? This is my grandfather's 2nd grade notebook. Look at that. Who is that? Is that your nightmare? Is that the boogeyman? I forgot my license.
That's why you
I left it in my house. So, good morning. It's the next day, and I kind of wanted to talk about yesterday's package. I was with my grandparents, so I actually couldn't really talk about it. But I will say, for those who don't know what this is Gloria. So I was truly and amazingly surprised that this happened to me. I actually did not purchase that from Sephora. They told me they were going to send me a package with something, and I was completely surprised. I thought it was I don't know, I thought it was like a sample or something. Usually they send me samples of stuff, like the time that they sent me the perfumes. I snapped that. If you guys don't follow me on my Snapchat, follow me and then you guys will know what I'm talking about. I snapped it and I was like, so Sephora sent me a whole bunch of samples of different perfumes, but this time they sent me the Too Faced White Peach eyeshadow palette and a liquid lipstick that I freaking love. That's my shade, Ophelia. That's the shade I always use for Kat Von D. I really want to buy bow and arrow, but I don't know. But yeah, I'm so grateful for having this opportunity. I didn't know that this was gonna happen to me, and this is all thanks to you guys. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go to my grandparents' house. I have a work to do on my laptop, so I'm gonna take it with me. I'm gonna do more editing, and then today, since today's Saturday, tomorrow, Sunday, I will be uploading another video. I did snap it and I put it on my Insta stories, and you guys were DMing me and telling me oh my God, did you purchase that? Oh my God, did they send you that? And I was trying to answer to every one of you. It's a lot of people. I did get to answer all of them, but it takes me time. Yeah, it was sent to me. I did not purchase that. I don't know if I'm gonna be vlogging today, but I wanted to explain that to you guys and let you know what was going on and all that shebang. I also ordered 2 phone cases. They were for free, literally for free in Wish. So I ordered 2 of them to see how they come in red. I've never had red phone cases, but I love the color red now. I'm into the red color, so I really I feel red and black is gonna look amazing. And I don't have a phone case, which I had a nightmare, I'm sorry, that I cracked my phone. It cracked so bad on this side of the camera, both sides, and this one was open. You could have seen all the shit that it had inside. That was the worst nightmare ever. I woke up, I didn't even remember, but when I looked at my phone, I was wait, oh my God, and then I remembered that I had that nightmare, and I was it was just a nightmare. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if I do not vlog again after this clip, give it a thumbs up for more vlogs, and I'm trying to do the thumbs, and stay tuned for more vlogs because they're coming.